to that. So yeah, Holochain has been a project that has good fundamentals. The only issue we've really had with it has just mainly been the technology could be better. But here, let me see what Token Metrics has on it as Bill's pulling up the TA. Yeah, so right now we have it as an okay project, long term. Right, fundamentals are good, but technology and TA here could be better. Let me see what else we have on this. So our price prediction models have basically been over predicting it. So they've been higher than the actual price for the last 2 months or so, until really the last week or so. Then this kind of has it going down. Then let's see what Bill has to say.
Okay, almost there.
Okay. So as Bill is pulling that up, let me just see what people have to say here in the comments.
Okay. So this is symbol HOT, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Versus the dollar. All right. Now, this doesn't give me a lot of room to do much with it, but I can say this, okay? Do you see these thrusts here?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like the bulls are coming in and going, you know what? Every day when this opens down, I'm buying it. That's a really unusual set of candlesticks, right? So someone out there is going, you know what? I want this. So if it sits here, right? I mean, this thing came down from a lot, right?
Yeah.
This thing is sort of making this base, right? Now, I don't want to drive anybody nuts, but we have been talking about this idea of the bigger the base, the higher in the space, right? So this has been doing nothing down here since October. And this is really interesting to me because if you have something that has not mooned, it is based, right? Or made a base, and then bulls are coming in and saying, hey, I'm interested, okay? You could wake up and this thing could go up. Because this is what a lot of altcoins, this is what Ethereum, Cardano, this is the formation. This is one of the 3 formations of the year. So if you like this, I think you could take a shot.
Okay. Now, one of the questions I have for you. So on that chart, I saw lots of huge spikes. Like, so there's some that are green, there are some that are red. Like that seems very unnatural. So
Right.
Any thoughts on that? Like those huge spikes?
Well, you know, what I've been doing is, especially if I have to chart a lot of things that they're not liquid, right? That's not uncommon in things that really aren't liquid, right? So I'm sure I wouldn't shock you by saying, you know, that particular coin is speculative to the point of being slightly scary. You know, when you see those type of spikes on a chart, be careful with how you put in your orders, right? The predators are out there. It doesn't have to be a scam. It can just be normal predators, right? You put a market order in and there could be some absurd print. So be careful in things that are not liquid. Does it concern me in that chart? You know, not really. It's an altcoin, and, you know, the game is to find these altcoins that have not mooned yet, right? That's the game.
Yeah. All right.